morning. Today our group number 1 is going to present a few words about environment nature. Participants are Abhinav PV, Adwaith, Anushka Anoop, Jan MV, Sreedev Rajesh. Let's go to see our project. Good morning. My name is Anushka Anoop. I am going to tell a few words about environment nature of this photo. This photo is of Nokalika waterfall. Nokalika waterfalls is around 5 km from Cherrapunji and is the 4th highest waterfall in the world, falling from a height of 1,100 feet. This fall is a great attraction of Cherrapunji and hence finds a place in our list of the most beautiful places in India. The force of water has carved a waterhole which remains blue in the winter and turns green in the summer season.
My name is Adwaith. I am studying in 5th A. I am going to tell about a river. The river name is Llano Crystal River, Colombia. The river is this. Water actually look a pretty normal most of time, at least until exploding color during around July to November. During this time, Mercurina calivera, a unique plant, grow bottom of a river, turns vibrant red in spread blue water, green moss and yellow sand.
My name is Abhinav. I am going to speak a few words about nature. Nature refers to the interaction between the physical world and the life within, like animals, birds, tree, plants, etc. It also includes non-living things like landscape, water and other. The surrounding we live in, the food we eat, the water we drink, the air we breathe, it is all the part of nature.
Sreedev Rajesh. I am going to tell a few words about this picture. The time in the morning when the sun's appearance and the full daylight arrive, the colors and in the sky, and the occasion of the sun's first apparition in the morning.
My name is Jen. I am studying class 5th A. I am going to present a few words about this picture. The picture describes the night sky. We can see a mountain very dark and some twinkling star in the sky. Also, the star is as beautiful as heaven. And also, we can see a bit more reflection. This picture is very beautiful with very twinkling stars and one more is this is like a hope of brightness.